right on Westmoreland Circle. Turn left on North Bowdoin Street. Turn right on South Georgia Avenue. Then turn right on West Austin Street.
So that route I just took was a big motorcycle route we used to take back in the day. It's called Westminster is the city.
Turn right on West Austin Street.
Real quick. Okay. But anyway, yeah, so we used to take that road quite a bit. They done a lot of building back here now. But you see they even got a motorcycle shop right here now.
Turn left on South Georgia Avenue.
So let me just...
Then turn left on West Houston Street.
Pull up here real quick.
Turn left on West Houston Street.
But yeah, this is Westminster. It used to be a great motorcycle ride. Look, it even says motorcycle post right there. So yeah, and they actually built G2, which is a racetrack, right back over here. So I'll go by there as well. Maybe. We'll see. Nice little tight turn right here.
Turn right on East Houston Street. In 1.3 miles, turn left on County Road 513.
And right here on the left, this building, I think this is part of G2. Yep, this is G2 when I did that YouTube video, but it's a full racetrack now. I'll show y'all back here. And these are other little shops, but there's the actual racetrack back there, right there, as y'all can see. Let me slow down, there's nobody behind me. Zoom in for y'all really quick. But yeah, they do cars and coffee here. Zoom in. There you go. Y'all can see it's a huge racetrack, very nice. But that wasn't here years ago. So I've been trying to hit them up. Maybe we can do a Kicking It With Q truck meet there. That'd be kind of cool. What you think? So anyway, back to the back road drive.
In half a mile, turn left on County Road 513.
Hard on the brakes right there. I'm in the wrong lane. Yeah. Up one more. Not sure what this truck is doing. But since he's going, I'm protected, so I'm gonna go too.
Turn left on County Road 513.
Wow, it's pretty out here. Oops, sorry.
In 1.3 miles, turn left on County Road 506.
Go put the lane keep assist on, that way I can keep my hands a little free. Let the truck do its thing, you know. It'll hold the line too. It's cool, right? to keep your hands on the wheel.
In
Watch
half
to
a
see if it
mile,
makes this
turn
turn.
left.
Nope, see, it couldn't make that turn because it couldn't follow the lines. The lines on the road are gone, so it canceled it. So it's good to know. If you're curious how that works, the lines have to be visibly clear for it to track.
Turn left on County Road 506. In 1.3 miles, turn left on County Road 504.
Ain't no road right here, man. Oh my goodness. I probably should have turned back there, but it's okay, we'll just go up. Just gonna resume. Excuse the camera, guys. I'm literally holding it with my hand. Y'all wanna know something crazy? As I'm driving, if you watch any of my old motorcycle videos, I used to come back here all the time.
Turn left on County Road 504.
All the time. And this road right here, this shot, you can really get some speed right here until that next turn. You can really, let's see what we can do with the
In
truck.
half a mile, turn left on Farm to Market 545.
Man. And then you hear that engine braking working too. Oh,
In
yeah.
0.2 miles, turn left.
Okay. I would love to live
Turn
somewhere
left on Farm to Market 545.
out here like this. Ain't nothing hard on the brakes. Sorry. Oh, nice little blue house right there. Go left. And ain't nothing like driving just these back roads, man. Here got a little pool.
In 3.1 miles, turn left on North State Highway 78 Business. Then turn right on East Ridgeway Drive.
I love that. But yeah, look at that. I would love to live out like a house like that, out away from everybody. Oh yeah. Now let's try the again. There we go. It should be able to hold this line pretty good now. Because we have actual lines there. It's a nice house. We got a couple. We got a switchback. Nice little X turn coming up. Oh, it's nice to switch back. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. I will tell you, I'm rolling a little bit in the cab. I'm telling you, these things don't handle the best. This handles like a truck. These F250s. Another nice house. Front porch, beautiful. The nice little town we going through. This is called Blue Ridge, I believe. Let's see.
Turn left on North State Highway 78 Business. Then turn right on East Ridgeway Drive.
Car wash. Oh, got a nice Raptor coming through. Okay. You hear the exhaust on it? I'll go left here.
Turn right on East Ridgeway Drive.
Nope, I missed my turn. Wait, was that my turn? Oh no, this is my turn. Wait, what? No. Oh, straight. Come on, GPS. I think it's not working because I'm so far out here in the boonies, you know. A little slow with the updates.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right on Farm to Market 981.
I just realized she's been talking this whole video like myself, but hopefully that hasn't bugged y'all too much.
Turn right on Farm to Market 981.
981. Here's 981. That's gonna take, oh wow. Oh, cemetery is beautiful. It's huge. I hate to say nice cemetery, but
In a quarter of a mile, turn right on State Highway 78 south toward Farmersville.
you know, I always like driving by a cemetery because it's a reminder. One day, guys. So live your life while you can, because one day.
Turn right
know?
on State Highway 78 south toward Farmersville.
Okay. Oh, it's nice out here. It's like a whole highway. Okay. Let's see. I want to show y'all when you use like the GPS. I think this is Google Maps. You can actually see the heads-up display has it, as
Turn
well as
right
right
onto
there.
East Ridgeway Drive.
So it's pretty cool. You don't really, like I said, with the heads-up display on this truck, you don't have to look down for anything. Like, everything is literally right here in front of you. So you can see there, and then on the heads-up display, which is huge. And somebody said the video looks small. It is huge. Like, you can see it from a mile away. But yeah, I do like the fact that we use, other than Waze, I wish Waze would calculate over here, but it doesn't. Nice little bumpy roads here. Ooh, ooh. But yeah, if Waze would come over like this, that would be perfect. But it doesn't.
At the next stop sign, turn left. At the stop sign, turn left onto North Texas 78
Food trucks.
Business.
Nice. Okay. Go left. Oh, come on, get up the hill, baby. Okay.
Take your next left onto East Heap Street.
Nice.
Turn left onto
Okay.
East Heap Street. Then your destination will be on the right.
Okay.
Head toward Pritchard Drive, East Pritchard Lane.
Yeah.
Continue for 1 mile.
So, what I'm looking for is not out here, but that's okay. We're just gonna keep on trucking. But anyway, guys, I just want to show y'all like a quick back road drive. If any more interesting roads come up, I'll let y'all know. But let's see, it says 4 minutes away. Okay, it's a nice little road here. Yeah. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all a little back road drive. These are some of the nice roads up here in Texas. You know, away from the city, away from all the traffic. Gotta just get out and enjoy the scenery, you know, enjoy the trees and the views and, you know, stuff like that. So I personally love driving back here and stuff. Like, it's super cool. So anyway, let's go wrap the video up. Just wanted y'all to take a quick look, see the truck on the back roads, and yeah, we're gonna get back to it. But I'll catch y'all next one, baby. Peace.